for the movie Karasal goes to
None other than
Sir
Sir
Jojo
Jojo
Albano. Congratulations, and for that, Sir Chris, please receive the award on behalf of Sir Jojo Albano, and of course the Medal of Excellence from Philippine Kokani Awards. A few words?
On behalf of Derek Jojo Albano, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Joanne and Derek Albert, and then Bintong Ani Awards. So, ito po si Derek Jojo po, din Derek tulad niyo po, napaka-passionate din siya sa pag-director. So, kung hindi niyo po public information lang po, siya po ay naabutan niya po talaga sila yung PJ, nakatrabaho niya po talaga sila yung PJ before, kaya yung concept talaga ng movie namin, parang ibabalik namin yung 90s, 80s, ayan. So si Derek Jojo po ay napaka-daling lapitan na director, napaka-humble, at proud na proud ako sa kanya. Kaya si Derek Jojo po talaga, deserve itong award na to. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations once again, Jojo Albano,
International Film Director.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you.